What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video. Like I keep telling you guys, I got a lot of content coming for y'all very soon, so you better like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell for more content, guys. You will not regret it. But just like in the last video, yesterday's video, I told you guys I paid $2,200 for the black Silverado. That was the video yesterday. So I paid $2,300 for this one. But this one was this one had 242,000 miles. It was a 2004. As you can see, it was the 4x4. And I'm gonna just tell you guys, even though this one had 242, it had the bigger motor, it had the 5.3, it was 4x4. The other one had 191, the black one, and it was the 4.8. But when I posted both of these trucks at the same time, I got way more hits on this truck than I did for the black truck. And I think that was because it was 4x4 and it was the bigger motor. But you know, more so it was 4x4. Good tires was on it, and everything, guys. So the tires were, you know, they weren't this good on the black one. So that, you know, that was actually another thing that helped sell this truck, even though, like I said, it had the 242. Now, I drove these trucks home the same day, the video that you guys seen yesterday and this video here. They both were clean and everything, drove them home. This one, actually, I did buy it with some check engine light codes on it. I think it had like about 2 or 3 codes. The other one didn't have any. But after I got done with this video, guys, the truck would not crank up. The trunk wouldn't, it just wouldn't crank up. I did my diagnosis and everything, and you know, I figured out it was the fuel pump. Now, this may have been a dumb decision, you know what I mean? It probably was, but at this time I was like lazy. I was selling cars so fast, they kept coming in. I didn't really have no room to put anything, you know what I'm saying? So I sold this truck, and I sold the black truck yesterday that you guys seen yesterday in the old video. Here, I'm about to show you guys the codes right now. Yep, like I said, it had 3 codes. Wasn't that bad, no misfires or anything, just an evap, and evap. So yeah, you know, it was pretty much nothing. So the truck wouldn't start. So I ended up doing a diagnosis on it, and I think it was the fuel pump. I was pretty sure it was the fuel pump. I did not put a fuel pump in the truck, guys. So the truck, like, it'll crank up and then it'll just cut like right back off. You like, I had to like hold the gas and stuff for the truck to, like, you know what I'm saying, stay crunk a little bit. And as you can see, as you're about to see, the motor was a little, you know, to me, in worse condition than the black truck. You see all the stuff and stuff, you know. I didn't do anything to these trucks, guys, like I told you. So what I ended up doing was I bought them the same day. I spent $23 for one. I spent $22. No, I spent $23 for this one, and I spent $22 on the video you guys seen yesterday. So that's $4,500 I spent on both trucks in the same day. When this one didn't crank and it didn't, you know, the fuel pump went out, I didn't fix it. I sold this one to the same guy, and I sold him one for the $2,700, and I sold him this one for $2,000. So, you know, I only made $200, guys. So I only made $200. So you guys tell me what you guys think. I know that probably was a dumb decision, but you know, I just got, you know, my money back and moved on. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell.